Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power quickly. Look for the LED and confirm the battery or adapter is supplying power. Once done, unplug the charger and any audio cables, then power off and leave it off for 30 seconds to clear transient faults. Make sure you have the original charger, a spare aux cable, and the source device nearby. These let you isolate power versus audio problems. This avoids wasting time on pairing before the speaker is actually able to respond. You need to reset the unit to eliminate firmware or pairing corruption. Follow the exact factory reset button sequence for your model and hold until LEDs indicate reset. After the reset, immediately test audio with a wired aux connection to determine if the amplifier and drivers are functioning. Use a phone or laptop you know works. If wired audio plays, move on to Bluetooth repairing. Make sure to delete old pairings on your phone first, then pair fresh so cache settings don't interfere. You finish by ruling out hardware damage and power delivery issues. Inspect the grill and drivers for dents or tears, and swap in a different charger, cable, and outlet to exclude supply faults. Once you confirm no physical damage and power is stable but audio still fails, note the behavior and LED patterns, then contact Bose support or an authorized repair center with that information. If things go wrong during these steps, record exact symptoms. It speeds diagnosis and prevents unnecessary parts replacement.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.